Nestled at the top of majestic Drakensberg escarpment in South Africa lies the enchanting Tugela Waterfalls camping site. It is a hidden gem for nature lovers, adventure seekers, and camping enthusiasts, offering a unique and unforgettable experience surrounded by breathtaking landscapes and awe-inspiring Tugela Waterfalls. This video explores the beauty and allure of the Tugela Waterfalls camping site, inviting you to discover the magic of this natural wonderland. Let's go into the video.
இப்போ நான் இருக்கிறது வந்து ட்ராகன்ஸ்பர்க் துகேலா ஃபால்ஸ் மேலே டாப்பில் வந்து
Welcome to Dr. Wanderlust. Please check the channel for the previously uploaded videos of the series, which include Part 1 featuring the journey to the Sentinel Caves and Part 2 showcasing the camping night during storms. The Tugela Waterfalls camping site is located within the Royal Natal National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. Access to the campsite is through the Sentinel car park, which serves as a starting point for the hike to the top of the escarpment. The journey to the Tugela Waterfalls camping site is an adventure in itself. Visitors embark on a moderately challenging hike that takes approximately 4 to 6 hours depending on fitness levels and weather conditions. The well-marked trail guides trekkers through lush forest, rolling hills, and rocky terrain, providing glimpses of native flora and fauna along the way. As hikers ascend the escarpment, they are rewarded with breathtaking views of the surrounding valleys and mountains, making the effort truly worthwhile. Upon reaching the top of the escarpment, the tired hikers are greeted by the beautiful mountains of the Drakensberg, and you will be leading to the end of the escarpment to a flatland. That's where we are going to pitch our tents. These are not the designated areas for pitching tents, but we don't have any flatlands on the top. So somewhere near to the waterfalls, we just pitched our tent, and I request the visitors to follow eco-friendly practices to preserve the natural beauty of the area. Towering at a height of 983 meters, the Tugela Waterfalls are the first highest waterfalls in the world. The cascading water creates a mesmerizing sight and a soothing soundtrack that resonates throughout the campsite. The experience of camping near this natural wonder is nothing short of magical, especially during the sunrise and sunset, when the play of light and shadow enhances the beauty of the falls.
Then if you look there on the mountain, is it? There behind us is a small hole. You'll see it right on top, towards the left. That hole is Crow's Nest Cave. Then once you go to Crow's Nest Cave, just behind that is Mount Exhorsus. Mount Exhorsus is the highest peak in the Royal Natal region. Well, highest peak that you can actually like hike. Let's see if let's actually compare. Mount Exhorsus is 3282. Anyone can see the Sentinel peak? Oh, it's higher. There's Sentinel 3165. So Mount Exhorsus is French for source of water. From Mount Exhorsus, that's where Tugela Falls ends up in the Indian Ocean. Also from there, it's which river?
Orange.
No, the Calendar. Yes, the Calendar River starts there, which then forms part of the Eland and Orange River and ends in the Western Cape.
So the source of Tugela,
Mount Exhorsus. Most of the rivers actually come from there. It's Eland, the Caledon, which is a tribute of the compass orientation. So we're probably going to go to Crows, Mount Exhorsus, then Mawadi is the highest peak in the state. We're training for our exams. So yeah, map and compass. We're not going to use GPS to teach the purpose when you go to the exams. But it's really nice doing map work because you can see the peaks. You can get orientated. You just get your bearings right and you follow the line. Because GPS, you can rely on it. Yes, it's good. But when there's a thunderstorm and signal's bad, you don't have a compass. That's why a map is the most important thing. If you're a guide, you have to carry a map no matter what. Even if you know the route 100 times, map is the most important thing. Especially on the escarpment, because you can't just go down anywhere. Yeah, you have to go down passes, chain ladder pass, beacon pass. If you don't have a map, in trouble. Yeah.
So when you did the Grand Traverse,
The GPS batteries died. It all came down to map skill. Yeah, map and compass. That's where he meets us. Even after the hike, he'll have to hike back to Royal Natal. From there, he lives somewhere in Banjanani village. Where's your village? Show us your village. So yes, yeah. I'm there. So you have to walk out here. Probably from here you can take a taxi or catch a lift or something. And as you can see, the closer the gradient lines are together, meaning the steeper the things are. Here they're very steep because we are on top. You can't hike up over there. So yeah, that's how everywhere I go. So I want to get that as well in the future. But I'm focusing on this year for now. Yeah.
there's lots.
There's a lot. There's a lot. There's a lot. A lot of people here, they get stuck with
Let's go, we will see, right?
This particular section of Drakensberg has a lot of activities such as hiking, birdwatching, photography, stargazing, and rock climbing. When coming to the hiking, there are several hiking trails of various difficulty levels that lead to vantage points offering spectacular views of the Drakensberg mountains and surrounding landscapes. So this area is also rich in bird life, making it an ideal spot for bird watchers to spot various species of birds in their natural habitat, especially lot of species of eagle. And the nature photographers will find endless opportunities to capture the beauty of the Tugela Waterfalls and the scenic landscapes. And the most important thing, on clear nights, the absence of light pollution makes the campsite a perfect place for stargazing and marveling at the Milky Way galaxy. And we never did the rock climbing, but for adrenaline junkies, the escarpment offers challenging rock climbing routes with experienced guides I'm repeating experienced guides available for assistance at the Vichy Mountain Lodge. The Tugela Waterfalls camping site is within a protected national park, and visitors are encouraged to adhere to leave no trace principles to preserve the environment. Campers are reminded to respect wildlife, avoid littering, and follow designated trails only to minimize their impact on the delicate ecosystem.
Yeah.
Where's the mounting sources?
That one there, it is.
Only even the stone.
I want there.
It's done. No, this side is fine.
Huh?
This side is fine.
So after we going down this side? This one.
This side is like a steps.
Yeah, oh, okay.
Woo! Oh my god, when I stop, my hand is getting numb.
3.
It's a video. We are down the galleyway. Yeah. Down deep to the pavement.
Concrete.
Tugela Waterfall camping on the top of the escarpment is an unforgettable experience that immerses visitors in the grandeur of the nature. From the scenic hike to the stunning Tugela Waterfalls and a myriad of outdoor activities, this hidden paradise in South Africa offers an escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. For those seeking a connection with nature, adventure, and tranquility, the Tugela Waterfalls site stands as an idyllic destination that will leave a lasting impression on the hearts of all who venture there.
Wow. Oh. Wow.
Second massage.
Yeah. Nice African massage.
short like this. No speed. Just drive good.
We now reach the third and last part of the series, the Tugela Waterfalls hike through the amphitheatre via chain ladders. I extend my gratitude to everyone for patiently listening. Stay tuned to Dr. Wanderlust channel. Until next time, bye bye.